Hello everyone, welcome to A Touch of Glam. My name is Leia and I'm so delighted to have you here. I first off want to start by sharing and letting you all know I sincerely appreciate you all and I'm so grateful for your continued love and support. It means so much to me. We have been together for almost 2 years now and I sincerely am blessed to have you be part of our family. Today I am so excited to be sharing with you guys our new main living room makeover and how we have achieved to create our most dreamed living space with my dream wainscoting and some new furniture. We have done so much throughout the year to this main living room and by far this is my most fave makeover to this space. A huge shout out to my hubby for doing such an amazing job executing my vision to life. Today's video is sponsored by my good friend Settle In. Settle In is a company of home lover with infinite longing for a better life, full of creativity and passion. They're committed to making home space extraordinary. They believe in creating high quality and high style modern furnitures for your home with love. They are a home furnishing brand that leads personalized lifestyle and strives to become a brand in creating a warm, comfortable, modern home with furnitures they provide, because they believe that a beautiful space can heal the mind and body and inspire creativity, which leads them to design their product with a unique look and functionality. They also want to provide that feeling by ensuring that they pay attention to the personality and aesthetics of their furnitures, where you will find your home life more interesting and a place that you will love to be in. They have all your living room, dining room, bedroom, outdoor furniture needs that is sure to give you so many variety of styles and choices to fit your home theme. And in today's video, they have sent me their Zoya Modern Cloud Fabric Sofa in the size of 108.2 by 39.3 and 29.5 inches. When I tell you I have found the perfect, most comfortable cloud sofa, this is it. If you want to soak and sink into a soft and incredibly comfortable sofa while you relax and rest, this sofa is all of that. It is like sitting on a cloud. This sofa is made of solid wood frame and high-density sponge foam that has a good resilience, soft and thick, rebounds in 1 second, and does not collapse after sitting for a long time, while it is the perfect firmness in lounging. The sofa is covered with luxurious feeling fabric that is soft and cool to touch. I just love running my fingers to it and feeling like it's cotton-filled clouds. Assembly was super easy. Really all we did was unbox it and just put them together. As you have seen, they also came packaged and secured greatly. The color is the perfect marshmallow white. This is exactly the kind of white cream color that I love and it fits perfectly in my living room theme. Settle In would also love to help you, my Glam family, by giving you a 10% discount if you'd also like to have a cozy, comfortable, modern, luxurious, stylish sofa like this. Links and info will be on my description box below. With Thanksgiving right around the corner, they will also be doing exclusive deals for Black Friday, so now is the time to shop. Settle In, my crib, my style. Thank you Settle In for sponsoring today's video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and continue with the living room makeover. If you have seen our formal living room makeover we have done not long ago, my husband made my dream come true with my dream wainscoting added to our formal dining room and formal living room. I wanted him to continue on with the wainscoting to match other rooms in our main living room. I am so happy that he was able to achieve and make my dream come true to life with this DIY, and even more happy that we can share with you guys how we have done so, and in hopes that you can also be inspired and get ideas on how to achieve this kind of wainscoting and design and decorate your living room with what we will share today. Our house is themed glam white with sparkles of crystals and mirrors, as we want to achieve an open space home that is inviting, yet of course a touch of glam. So if you want to see how we have achieved my dream living room and the new decorations and furnitures we have used in this living room, please continue watching till the end. Again, I want to thank you all so much for watching and for being here. And here is how our new living room turned out. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It now looks more open, bright, and cozy while giving that touch of glam. I hope you guys enjoyed my new living room video and was able to get inspirations and ideas from this makeover. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I would love and appreciate the love. And if you have not subscribed yet, I hope you consider doing so. I would love to have you be part of the Glam family. I'm so excited to share my next video. It will be our very first Christmas decorating video for the year, and I hope to see you then. Sending you all air hugs and kisses your way. God bless you all abundantly. Bye!